Let's unbox the Utilion 420 Portable Vaporizer. The Utilion 420 is a Canadian brand and it is designed for those who are new to the vaping world. Inside the box you will find the Utilion 420 Vaporizer, one USB charging cord, one set of replacement screens, one packing tool, one mouthpiece protection cover. Here are some cool features about this unit. A portable design that is 4.5 inches tall and 2 inches wide and easy to fit in your pocket or your purse. It has a heat up time of 20 seconds, anodized aluminum exterior shell, ceramic heating chamber, glass mouthpiece, digital display for temperature and battery life. This unit also comes with a 1-year warranty. The Utilion 420 is very easy to use. To turn the unit on, press the side button 5 times and the same button 5 times to turn the unit off. The Utilion 420 indicates remain battery life for a quick 3 seconds. Once the unit is on and right after it, it turns off. To load the unit, twist the glass mouthpiece off, load and pack your freshly ground dry herb inside this ceramic chamber. The unit has 4 preset temperatures, starting from 190 degrees, 200 degrees, 210 degrees, and 220 degrees Celsius. To select your desired temperature, simply press and hold the side button for 3 seconds to cycle through the preset temperatures. Once you select your temperature, allow the unit to heat up. Every time the unit is turned on, it will automatically heat up to the same temperature as it was previously set. We find the best vaping temperature for this unit is between 200 and 210 degrees Celsius. The Utilion 420 comes in 3 colors: black, silver, and titanium. My name is Josh from Tools 420, your vaporizer store, and thank you for watching this video and hopefully you find it useful. If you already have this unit, please share your thoughts about this unit in the comment section below.